Alright, so to make Yasai Itame, do not chop up as much cabbage as I do, half is fine. Then a whole onion, you can dice it up any way you like. Everyone knows that the Japanese diet is really carb heavy, but if you are one of those people that follows the ketogenic diet, this is a ketogenic recipe. Yay! Hand me some carrots, please. Thanks. Now I strongly advise you to chop up the carrots in stick form. Meat, please. Thanks. You should have relatively big pieces because they shrink when you fry them up. Yeah, that's meat. Alright, next vegetable. Thank you. Chop off the bottom and then dice it in a few pieces. And when you're done admiring the prep work, it's time to make the stir fry. Let's head over to the oven, shall we? Throw some sesame oil in the pan to activate the fat in the pork. Remember to salt, pepper, and garlic powder liberally. And also take some time fighting the flap off one of the pieces. Let's listen in on the sizzle. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Let's try doing some flip editing. Screw it. The pan flip is where it's at. Once the pork is brown to your liking, make some space and throw in the cabbage. And some carrots. And then it's time for me to do my legendary pan flip. I bet you didn't enjoy that as much as I did. I left this huge piece inside, so I'll just discard it. And put in some real shredded cabbage. Alright, I'm sorry, I'll stop now. 3 times is enough. See, I bet you really thought it was coming again. Throw in your onions when the cabbage and carrots have softened up a bit. Then go ahead and stir and pan flip. It's a stir fry after all. Then throw in your beansprouts and the other vegetable I don't really know the name of. You see how we do this? We put the hardest vegetable in first after the meat, and then the softer ones, and then the softer ones, so they all finish together. Heh. Then it's oyster sauce time. Some people like to use Worcestershire sauce, some people like to use soy sauce. I prefer oyster sauce for the sweet and tangy deliciousness. Starting to look good and combined. Remember to always taste and season to your liking. It's important in cooking. Gotcha. At this point, your delicious Japanese vegetable stir fry should be done. I'm pretty sure this is insanely delicious, but don't take my word for it. Take my test subject's word for it. A real Japanese person.
いただきます。
はい。
野菜炒めですか？うんうんうんうん。
どうだ？
うんうんうん。うん、美味しいよ。
やった。
ちょっとオイスターソースが
いっぱい。
いっぱい。でも美味しいよ。美味しい。
よかった。レーティングは？
星4つ。
4つ
？90点。
Japanese taste?
うん。
Yay!
And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe.